It's supposed to remove hair and other stuff. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna try to clear the bathroom sink drain, which possibly has stuff that's clogging it. I'm gonna use this thing called drain rooter. It clears clogged and slow running drains. It's environmentally safe. Let's see how it works. The size of this, it's not that long, 18 inches. Just gonna stick this in whatever hole. Ugh. Oh my gosh, that's nasty. Yuck. I'm just using toilet paper. I see more hair down here. It's just hair, guys. So your sink has like 3 or 4 little spaces in there. I'm gonna stick this thing in each one. Nothing there. Oh! Ew. You wanna look? No, don't look. Go away.
Hi guys, I am from Incredible and I'm Dash. So bye.
Oh. Bye, Dash. This is gross. One last little hole. That one's hard. That's what she said. Oh, there was nothing in that one. Yay, no more clog. Okay guys, so I didn't want to tell you yet where I bought this from because I wanted to make sure it worked first. That's what it looks like. I got a small one. It's only 18 inches. It's called Drain Rooter and I got it for $1. Dollar Tree, and it worked. You can probably buy longer ones from Amazon or something, but if I needed a longer one, I would probably just buy 2 of these, cut this off, connect them somehow, and bam, there you go. 36 inches. I think, is that 18 plus 18? Whatever. Anyway, thanks for watching. $1. Oh, and you can also buy a bottle of vinegar, pour it down your drain, and that'll help clean it also. See you next time.